students, today we are going to start a new topic. Name is square root, related from the chapter square and square roots. In previous videos, we have discussed about square, perfect square numbers and the properties based on perfect square numbers. As we know that our topic name is square root. Before starting our topic, let's take a short recap on square numbers. Yes, what do you mean by square of a number? The square of a number is the product of the number with the number itself. The square of a number. Suppose we have a number. आपके पास कोई एक नंबर गिवन है. Is the product and we will take its product. Product means we will take the multiplication of the number with the number itself. What do you mean by itself? Itself means the same number. The square of a number is the product of the number. Suppose we have a number 2. After that, we will take its product with the number itself. Itself means with the same number. And the result is obtained 2 raised to power 2. Here 2 is the base and this 2 is known as the exponent, and we will read as 2 raised to power 2. It will be equals to 4. So we can write the square of 2 is 4. Let's take another example. We have a number 3. अब हमारे पास जो नंबर है वो क्या है? 3. And we will take the product of the number with the number itself. We will take its product by the same number. So the result is obtained 3 raised to power 2. Here 3 is a base and 2 is the exponent, and we will read as 3 raised to power 2. It will be equals to 9. So here the square of 3 is 9. Let's take one more example. We have a number 4. Again we will take product of the 4 by the same number. It will be equals to 4 square and it will be equals to 16. Here the square of the 4 is equals to 16. So the square of a number, the square of the number, the product of the number with the number itself. जब किसी भी नंबर को सेम नंबर से वन टाइम मल्टीप्लाई किया जाता है and the result is obtained like 2 raised to power 2, so we can call the square of the 2 is equals to 4. Now coming on the topic, that is square root. What do you mean by square root? Square root. Square root is one of the two equal factors of a number. Square root is one of the two equal factors of a number. Suppose we have a number 2. आपके पास कोई भी एक क्या नंबर है, नंबर गिवन है, the number is 2. Square root is one of the two equal factors. Two equal factors means we will take the two same numbers. Two equal factors means we will take two equal numbers and the result will be equals to 4. The result will be equals to 4 and you can write it as 2 square. Will be equals to 4, but according to the definition of the square root is one of the two equal factors. उन two equal factor में से, और वो दोनों फैक्टर कैसे होने चाहिए, हमारे सेम होने चाहिए. उन दोनों फैक्टर में से कोई भी जो एक नंबर होगा हमारा, वो उस गिवन नंबर का क्या हो जाएगा, स्क्वायर रूट. And it is denoted by this symbol. This is the symbol of square root. And the value of the square root is one by 2. The symbol used for the square root is like this. Let's take an example. Suppose we have a number 4. Suppose we have a number 4 and two equal factors of the 4 are 2 multiply 2. According to the definition of the square root is one of the two equal factors of a number. जो भी दो गिवन इक्वल फैक्टर्स होंगे उनमें से जो एक नंबर आएगा, जो एक फैक्टर हम चूज करेंगे, दिस विल बी द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ द गिवन नंबर. सो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 4 is example. Square root of 9. Two equal factors of the 9 are 3 multiply 3. You can see these two factors are equal. और दोनों फैक्टर कैसे होने चाहिए? इक्वल होने चाहिए. Then one of the, इन दोनों में से जो भी एक नंबर होगा, one of the two equal factors of a given number, जो भी इन दोनों फैक्टर्स में से, दोनों इक्वल फैक्टर में से जो एक वन फैक्टर हम बाहर निकालेंगे, इट विल बी द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ द गिवन नंबर. सो हियर द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 9 is 3. Take one more example to clear this concept. We have to find the square root of the given number 16. Firstly, we will find out two equal factors. Two equal factors of 16 are 4 multiply 4, and one of the two equal factors of a number will be equals to 4. So, the square root of 16 will be 4. Let's take one more example to clear the concept of square and square root. We have a given number 5. And we know that the square of the 5 is 25. The square of the 5 is 5 multiply 5. It will be equals to 25. And square root of 25 will be equals to 5. Square root of 25 is equals to, two equal factors of 25 are 5 multiply 5. It will be equals to 5. So, the square of 5 is equals to 25, and you can write as 5 square. Here 5 is a base and 2 is a exponent, and square root of 25, you can denote square root of 25. This is known as r square root or radical. The another name of the square root is radical, and 25 is a base. Square root of 25 will be equals to 5. Now, the next topic is how we can find out the square root of a given number. There are various methods, and with the help of these methods, we can find out easily the square root of any given number. So, today we will discuss only one method, and the name of the method is by prime factorization method. Yes, our first method to find out the square root of a given number. The name of the method is by prime factorization method. Let's take an example to clear the method of the prime factorization. Find out square root of the given number 324 by using prime factorization method. As we have suggested, the name of the method is prime factorization method. So our first step will be, we will resolve the given number as the prime factors. Our given number is 324 and we will take the prime factorization of 324. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. 81 will be divisible by 3. 9 will be divisible by 3 and 3 will be divisible by 3. So all the prime factors of 324 will be equals to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. After that, our second step will be make the pair of similar factors. According to the definition of the square root, we have to find out one of the number from the two equal factors. So, in prime factorization method, we will make the pair of similar factors. Similar factor means we will find out the same factors of the given prime factors. To have a one pair, second pair of the 3 and the third pair of the 3. After that, take out one factor from the pair of these factors. जो भी फैक्टर हमारे बन रहे हैं उनमें से एक एक फैक्टर को क्या ले लेंगे, बाहर. And take product these factors. After that, we will take the product of these factors. It will be 2 3 the 6 and 6 3 the 18. So, square root of 324 will be equals to 18. तो हमारे पास जो गिवन नंबर है 324, उसका स्क्वायर रूट क्या आएगा हमारा 18. I am repeating this example again. We have to find out the square root of the given number 324 by using the prime factorization method. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड का यूज करके आपने 324 का क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, स्क्वायर रूट. योर फर्स्ट स्टेप विल बी रिजॉल्व द गिवन नंबर. You have a given number 324 as a prime factors. We will take the prime factorization of the 324 and all the prime factors of the 324 will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. And your second step will be make the pair. हमें क्या बनाना है, उनका पेयर बनाना है. Because according to the definition of the square root, we have to find out the two equal pair of the factors. Now we will make the two equal pair of the factors. जो दो equal pair of the factors बनाए हमने, first factor will be 2 and the second pair will be 3 and third pair will be again 3. After that, take out one factor from the pair of the two equal factors. जो भी हमारे पास पेयर बनेंगे उनमें से एक फैक्टर को हमें क्या लेना है, बाहर लेना है. आफ्टर दैट टेक द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दीज फैक्टर्स. उसके बाद हमें क्या लेनी है, उनकी प्रोडक्ट. इट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 18. सो द रिक्वायर्ड नंबर विल बी द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ द गिवन नंबर. सो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 324 will be equals to 18. I hope students you have understood the concept of square root easily. Thank you and have a nice day.